Hi folks, Harrison here. A change of location. Just to say, I'm just going to put together the Time Lord Staser. It's a weapon for Time Lords from Doctor Who. It came at request, so it was a commission. I'm going to start with this black part here. This is a stand that you can put the weapon on for display. Don't mind the bits inside there. There's spare parts for other things. The outer ring spells Staser in Gallifreyan, and the box has a lid in case you want to convert it to light up or store things in. The lid fits snugly on top, as you can see, and then we have this neatly crafted stand part. So that's that bit. So we put that aside for the minute. Then we're going to concentrate on I suppose this is the main body of it. So printed in one piece, which makes it nice and easy. Convenient location dot here to mount. Where are they? These little golden nuggets. I can't get it. A little golden nugget here sits on there. There you go. And there's another one here that fits into another part of the body, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to start by putting this together, and one of the first parts we're going to do is the grip. And you can see it fits into this little recess here. Just fits in nice and snugly. If I can just get it in, no more fingers and thumbs today. It does go in. I'm just never very good at this bit. There we go. Fits in there nice and smug, and gives you the grip. And then you've got the trigger. I printed this in red because it'll hide any mistakes when you're coming to paint the piece itself. And then you've got the other side. I guess that's the right side, left side. I can never tell. And again, you just put the piece in, slot it in. There you go, nice and easy. And they're just under flush to allow the pieces to be glued together nice and snugly. So like so. If I can just get it right. There we go. Snug together, nice and tight. So that's that bit. Right, so I'm going to concentrate on one of these. Doesn't matter which. I'll just show you what that looks kind of like on there. So the stand will kind of look like that, as you can see. Right, okay, so let me just get this right. Okay, so we start with the rear piece of the barrel, and that will just slot in this way. If you can see, I'll just do that again for you. It slots in like so, all the way to the back to start. It will come forward a bit, and then we're going to start next with the, just make sure I get these the right way around. I forget now. Yeah, that way. No, I'm telling a lie. Yes, no, I am right. So this is the front piece. You can tell because it has this hole at the front, and then there's the two bits and bobs there. So that will go in like so. Slip in like so, and come forward a bit and through the hole like that, which will allow the next piece to go in, which is this piece. Yeah, and that goes into the back rear like this, and that slops in there. And then we can, if I can just twiddle it around a bit. It's fiddly, but it does go in. There we go. There we go. It all slots in, and that becomes the barrel piece. Now I can push this forward. There are some recesses within this barrel. I'll just show you on this one. There are some recesses to allow you to sight the barrel portion, so you know it's in perfect alignment. Perhaps I should have explained you might want to put these bits in first. Depends how you want to build it, but you can just glue, sight that in there like that, and that fits in like that, flush. It'll be flush. Yeah, and then the next piece, which one is it? Yeah, it's going to be this one, and that will sit in there flush like such. And then this one is going to fit halfway over. Oops, I can't do it. I've lost it. And this piece is going to fit halfway over I can't do it because it will just tip over, I think. Oh no, I'm lucky. Okay, and then the last piece is this L bracket bit that fits in here as well. You see, and it would fall off. And again, that's going to be halfway over. To allow you to... Does that make sense? Yeah, I think it does. And then that bit fits in there like so. Okay. Right, so now we've got, you know how to put those two bits in. I'll just go back to this bit. So then we've got the under barrel bit, which will glue in here, halfway across. And then once that's glued in, you get, sorry, I'm really not showing you very well, am I? And with this here, you fit in the that other barrel-y bit. And then I did say I was going to show you this other gold bit, wasn't I? And that just fits into this recess here, like so. And that makes up the whole weapon, which then, with the under barrel bit, will sit in here, like so. Not doing this very well. Sorry, you can't see. There we go. And it will sit on there, like so. But yeah, that's how you put it together. I know it's a bit haphazard, but that's the way it is. Thanks for watching. You can find it on Etsy if you're interested. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.